Hi, welcome back to Creative Digital Designs. In my Printify for Beginners guide, I had a comment that said, "How do you actually create a store?" So I wanted to make a quick video. So when you sign into Printify, you're gonna hear at the top, it's gonna show you this up here, and then it's gonna say Manage My Stores, or it's gonna say Add a New Store. So this is how you would add a store to your Printify account, and then you'll later be able to connect it to whatever platform you're using, whether it's Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, Wix, and so forth. They have a lot of options that you can use. They also have Printify pop-up, which is a newer option. So, and if you wanted to go ahead to launch your Printify pop-up, it says no need to create a website, just send out a unique link to your friends, family, or followers. So this will, you can go ahead and select that. As you can see it's beta version, so it is new. But in order to connect your shop, you just go ahead and select which one you want. It's going to ask you to sign into the platform. So if you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. And then once you sign up, you'll be able to use your login, and then your shop or store will be connected to Printify, and every product that you create will now be able to automatically go to that platform. So right here for this pop-up store option, excuse me, you'll put your name there, what state you're in, you'll agree, and then you'll go ahead and get started. So with this pop-up, like it says, it's like all in one, zero fees. Keep your profit with no store or order fees. Receive your earnings every month. So this is an option for people as well. Let me go ahead and do this for example. So this is already taken. So let me just, for the example here, and where you're at, you're going to hit agree and you're going to hit continue. Now you can go ahead and customize your store. They have a few options, basically like a Shopify store, and you choose which one you want, and then you're just going to hit launch, and then you're going to go back to my products, and this is where you'll be able to add your products. So you're going to hit start designing, and I have that in the other beginners tutorial. So I just wanted to show you guys this because I had a question on how to actually create a store. So here at the top, as you can see, what I just created is now on one of my stores. And if you want to manage a store, you just select manage a store, and you can disconnect it, delete it, or copy the products. You can actually copy the products to another store that you created previously. And so I hope this video is helpful, and the person who commented finds this video helpful as well. And please comment down below what type of videos I should create next, and subscribe so that you don't miss a video. Bye-bye.